Subscribe Mr. Avinash YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates on travel, lifestyle and tutorial videos coming every week. Hey guys, Avinash here back with another video. Welcome to my channel everyone, and yeah, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button for more such videos. If you are interested in watching tutorials, travel hacks, filmmaking tutorials and yeah, travel vlogs and lifestyle vlogs which I submit every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday depending on the number of videos I make in a week. And yeah, today's video is about the tool or software which I use to record my screen for creating some of the tutorials you have seen on my channel if you are not new here. And let's get started with the tutorial. As you can see, the Filmora website is open here, and to download the screen recorder or the video editor, you just click on the free download button here and the download will start. We'll be opening the Filmora Wondershare app now. I am also presently using the Filmora app only to record this screen, so I will be using a screenshot to show the different settings which I use while recording the screen for me. The software is totally free of use and you can like even edit videos, but we are not going to talk about that today. Maybe in some other video you can just comment down below if you want to know how to use the Filmora app for editing videos as well. To record the screen, you just need to click on this icon here, and as you can see, I'll be clicking here but nothing will happen as I'm already using the software to record this part of the video. So whenever you click on this screenshot will appear where you can choose the different settings and just press the record button and it will start recording. This is the full screen mode. You can change this to custom where you can like choose a particular area which you want to record, or you can set the width and height here. You can choose an external mic, or by default whatever mic is there it will be on. Then you can have the system audio off or on, where if you're playing some songs or something else in the background which can be recorded. So first of all you need to choose the folder which you want to save. So I'm saving it in the default destination so I don't have to change anything. Then there's the frame rate. This is one of the things important. Depending on the setting which you use in your camera, you should like try to match it here as well, so there won't be any glitches in both of the videos. Then there's quality, keep it high because you want it HD, right? You can set recording time, like how much of the recording should happen, like for 10 minutes or even hours. Then you can show mouse clicks in the different colors, play mouse click sound. Keep this active for people to know when you click on this screen. And you have to get this screen where it records your webcam or some other camera which you have connected to your device, laptop or PC. You need to click here. It's not by default. You need to click here to get this on, and then you choose the source of the camera from here, and that's it. And yeah guys, that was the Filmora Wondershare software which you can use to record your screen for such awesome tutorials. And yeah, hope you like this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also like my video if you did. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.